Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Pro Photo Mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to of course open the camera on our phone, and here on the modes that you can see on this line, we would need to click on More, and here click on this button Pro. And here is it. Now you can feel that you're a real photographer. So now let's talk about these buttons that you can see right here. Let's start with these three. So these three are real easy. The W in the center is normal zoom, the telescope is created for macro photos, which is zooming 3x, and the UW is ultra wide, which is making the photo really wide, but it also has some distortion. So now let's talk about these buttons a little bit lower. First thing that we got here is ISO, and this setting is regulating the lighting on the photo. So for example, if we will set it on 50, you can see that the photo has become really dark, and if we will set it a little higher, it become really light. So I think you got it. Let's let it on the middle. The second thing that we got here is the shutter speed. This thing is a little bit harder to explain, but let's say it like this. Then higher the shutter speed is, then less light is letting it on the photo, but high shutter speed is created for movement photos. So for example, if you are trying to make photos of some football player or any type of sport which requires a lot of movements, the high shutter speed is the one. But if you are using a high shutter speed, you would also need to increase the ISO so you can have a better lighting on the photo. And the lower shutter speed is not making the photos in the movement good. They will be all blurry and you won't be able to see anything. So if you are making photos on low shutter speed, the object or person that you are making photo of would need to stay still, or the photo will go out blurry. So the next thing that we can see here is focus, and by clicking on it you can see three modes right here. So the first one is center, and I think it's understandable that this focuses on the items, persons which are located on the center of the shoot. Multi one is supporting more items or persons on the shoot, and the manual one we will need to set manually. Let me show you how it works. So currently I'm aiming on this pin and the center of the shoot, and you can see it's clear and detailed, but if I will take my phone a little bit higher, the pin become really blurry. To fix that, we would need to adjust the focus. So take your finger and move this line to the left until you will see that the pin has become more clear and detailed. And now the pin is good visible, but if we will take it too far, it will become blurry again. So this really depends on the distance between the item that is being photographed and your phone. Next thing that we can see here is white balance. So I will just show you how it looks. If we will change it, you can see it like this. So if we will change it to the left side, it will become more colder, and to the right side, it will become more warmer. So it varies between blue and orange color. We will need to leave it at the middle, so it will be perfect. And this is it. Now you know how to make photos on the Pro Mode like a real photographer. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.